있어? Help!
Are you prepared to handle sudden emergencies? In the United States, over 350,000 cases of cardiac arrest occur annually. But 54% of bystanders are unable to provide assistance. That's right. One-time CPR training doesn't fully equip us with the skills and confidence needed to handle emergency situations.
Really good point. So a lot of people say, ooh, gee, I'm worried that if I do CPR on somebody...
Ultimately, CPR also requires continuous learning. Content leveraging music BPM for CPR learning is widely shared online, but much of it is unfamiliar to people or contains inaccurate BPM.
It's hard to keep track. How many is that?
Not to mention, there are far too many distractions as well. Introducing Safetify. Did you know? Familiar songs enhance memory and reduce tension, leading to a more impactful learning experience. Using AI technology, we analyzed the BPM of songs you frequently listen to, selected those suitable for CPR, and organized them into the Safetify category, placing it at the top for easy access. The songs in Safetify, crafted to suit your personal taste, comes with a bass adjustment feature that allows you to focus even more on the BPM. To help you stay calm in real emergency situations, when you press the emergency icon, your location information will be shared with nearby Spotify users. Imagine this with the knowledge and confidence gained from learning CPR through familiar songs. You're now ready to protect your loved ones. Turning rhythm into rescue. Safetify.